Ole, como esta, y'all? It's Queen Meek and I back. Duh. Alright, so I've been needing to get back in tune and get back in touch with my star player myself. So I've been needing to just like, okay, you don't need people to go out with you. You can go out and plan your own stuff and just honestly, I really enjoy my time by myself, but I want to enjoy my time by myself outdoors, like doing stuff and exploring. Like I didn't been out here almost 2 years, and I'm like, okay, I need to get out and venture off and stuff. So what I decided to do was to do a like a solo day. You dig? Okay. So what you need, I got this cute little candy jar thing from it ain't Dollar Tree, it's $1.25 Tree. And then I got this chalk writer as well from them. And I got these poster boards, right? So what I did was went online on Pinterest and I got a whole bunch of solo date ideas, basically. So I'm gonna write each solo date idea. It's about 37 of them. So I'm gonna write all of them on this here. And when I get done writing them all, I'll come back, put them in a jar, decorate my little thing, go from there. And then we're just gonna do a date, and I'm gonna record and like what I'm gonna wear, where I'm gonna go, all that stuff too, because we gotta really, be in tune with ourselves and be comfortable with ourselves before we can attract, other individuals, because that's what I'm trying to do. Period. I ain't gonna hold you up, but yes, stay in tune. All right, so this marker, whatever chalk writer, sucks. So this is what I got. I already had that marker here and that was starting to dry out. And then I used this, so it looks a little bit like it did. So I'm gonna cut it up. All right, so we got them all cut up and now I'm gonna put them in the jar. Okay, so they all in a jar, and I actually decorated the jar as well. Self-care dates. I'm ashy, don't mind me. So this is what we're gonna use and pick from.